Okay guys, we've got our video we made just recently on tire plugs. Subscribe to our channel, go check them out. We're doing some ground videos here today, multiple episodes. Make sure to hit that ring bell and get notified of our upcoming videos. We did a whole series on tire plugs, safety, whether the knots work or not, how to tie a knot, and we're testing them. Well, we did a bunch of tests on black ones. Now we're gonna do a test on this orange one. And we're gonna do everything everybody wanted us to do. We're gonna ream the hole out. We're gonna add our glue. We're gonna add it to the plug. And we're gonna stick around and you'll see, I won't even tell you. There you go. All right, let's test this plug out, you guys. I think it's right there, isn't it?
Yep.
There it is, guys. Go. Take a look. Let's inspect it. Here's some of our old plugs. Seems to be holding really good, guys. I mean, for a little light duty motorcycle, for just doing some burnouts and riding around and doing some wheelies and having fun, my guess is you'll be all right. It's not a recommendation, it's for entertainment purposes only, guys. So we hope you had fun. And we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.